Hello everyone, my name is Pande Ardiyanti, and today in this video I will explain about mathematical logic. So let's just start. Okay, as I said before, we will learn about mathematical logic. So before we start the lesson, have you ever heard statement like if it rains, then the road becomes wet? And also the statement 2 is an even number. So these are examples of logical statements. So after you watching this video, I hope you can identify mathematical statements, understand truth value, and use logical connectives, and also solve simple logic problems. So first we will learn about statements. So statements is a sentence that can be determined as true or false. For the example, for number 1, 2 plus 3 is 5. So that is a statement because the sentence is a true sentence. Jakarta is in Indonesia. That is true. So that is a statement. X plus 2 equals 6. So that is not a statement because truth depends on X. Number 4, how are you? So that is not a statement because it is not a sentence, but it is a question. So I have a mini quiz for you guys. So please determine is the sentence is a statement or not. Okay, for number 1, 7 is a prime number. It is a true sentence. So it is a statement. Number 2, please close the door. It is not a statement because it is not a sentence, but it is a comment. Number 3, y is greater than 5. It is not a statement because it depends on y. Okay, next we will learn about truth value. So every mathematical statement has a truth value. A truth value can only be true or false. For the example, 10 is an odd number, so that is a false statement. And the next one, the earth revolves around the sun. So it is a true sentence. Next, it is a mini quiz for you guys. So decide whether these statements are true or false. Okay, for number 1, 9 is divisible by 3. So it is a true statement. Number 2, 5 is an even number. So it is a false sentence or false statement. And the last one, a square has 4 sides. So it's a true statement. Okay, the next one we will learn about logical connectives. So logical connectives combine statements into more complex statements. So there are some of logical connectives, which is conjunction or and, disjunction or, and negation or not. Okay, for the first one is conjunction. For the first one, conjunction or and. So connective and is called conjunction. It is written as P and Q. The symbol is like at the screen. The combined statement is true only if both statements are true. If one statement is false, then whole conjunction becomes false. For the example, P, 2 is even. Q, 5 is prime. So both are true. So P and Q are true. So example number 2, P, 7 is even. So it is a false statement. And Q, 6 is odd. So the Q1 is true statement. Because one statement is false, so false and true equals false. Okay, next is disjunction. So connective R is called disjunction. It is written as PRQ, or for the symbol is on the screen. A disjunction is true if at least one statement is true. It becomes false only when both statements are false. For the example, P4 is odd. It is false statement. And Q10 is even. It is true statement. So since one statement is true, false or true equals true. So P or Q is true. And the last one is not or negation. The connective not is called negation. It changes a statement into the opposite truth value. It's written like that, like in the screen. So if P is true, then not P is false. If P is false, then not P is true. For the example, P, 6 is even. So this is a true statement. For the negation of P, 6 is not even. So that is false statement. Okay, I have a mini quiz for you guys. So now let's try together to determine whether the following statements are true or false. For number 1, true and false equals false because the connective and is true only if both of statement is true. Okay, number 2, false or true is true because the connective or is false only if both statement is false. Number 3, not true, it equals false. And number 4, not false equals true. And next, we will learn about if-then statements. So, if-then statement is an implication usage form. If P, then Q. For the example, if a number is divisible by 2, then the number is even. Okay, now think carefully. If today is Monday, then tomorrow is Tuesday. Is this statement correct? Yes, it is statement correct. Okay, now let's practice. So, for number 1, determine whether the following is a statement. 12 is greater than 20. Number 2, given P, H is even and Q, 11 is prime. So find the truth value of P and Q and also P or Q. Number 3, negate the statement 5 is less than. So that's all what I want to explain about mathematical logic. I hope you all guys understand what I'm saying, what I'm explaining about this lesson. So thank you for watching this video and bye bye.